Reaching the age of adolescence. Introduction. Adolescence is a transitional stage of physical and psychological human development generally occurring during the period from puberty to legal adulthood. The period of adolescence is most closely associated with the teenage years through its physical, psychological, and cultural expressions may begin earlier and end later. These changes are usually seen between 13 to 19 years. Changes at adolescence. Growth is one of the important characteristics in human beings. We grow to a certain period only. This change takes place at maximum pace during adolescence. An individual reaches his or her maximum height during adolescence only. Also, the voice of boys becomes hoarser, so when attended a phone call, people cannot distinguish if it is a boy or a man speaking. Adam's apple may be observed in some boys. The Adam apple is a partial growth of our voice box or larynx. The Adam's apple is formed due to elongation of the thyroid cartilage, which protrudes out in front of the neck. This is mainly caused by some male hormones during adolescence. This is the reason for the disturbance in boys' voice. The secretion of sweat and sebaceous glands are very active. Many adolescents get pimples owing to extra secretions. Sometimes a distinctive odor is also produced from their bodies. Development of sex organs. At adolescence, male sex organs like testes and penis develop completely. In girls, the ovary enlarges and eggs begin to mature. Breasts begin to develop for girls, whereas facial hair is seen in boys. In both boys and girls, hair grows under the armpits. They are called secondary sexual characters. The sex organs by which children are identified as boys or girls are called secondary sexual organs. Reproductive phase of life in humans. Reproduction takes place in the fusion of male and female gametes. Adolescents become capable of reproduction when their testes and ovaries begin to produce gametes. In females, the reproductive phase begins at 10 to 12 years. The ova begins to mature with the onset of adolescence. One ovum is matured and released once in about 28 to 30 days. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and thickened lining of uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. The first menstrual cycle begins at adolescence and is termed as menarche. At 45 to 50 years of age, menstrual cycle stops and is called menopause. Fast and frigid. Adolescents is the growing age where physical changes take place. Apart from this, we may observe some changes in behavior also. Adolescents are very fast in taking decisions. They do not want to be forced to do any work. They sometimes behave fast and rigid. Hormones and adolescence. A group of glands called the endocrine glands help in the regulation of the functioning of the human body by releasing some chemicals directly into the blood. The endocrine glands do not have specialized ducts to do so, hence are called ductless glands. The secretion of these glands are known as hormones. The endocrine hormones perform several functions in our body like control the sugar levels, salt and calcium levels, water levels, and the development of the reproductive system. Physical changes are under the control of these hormones. The male hormones, testosterone, begins to be released by the testes at the onset of adolescence, which causes changes in boys. In girls, ovaries begin to produce the female hormone estrogen, which develops the breast. Milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. Adolescence and health. It is very important to be healthy and fit at any stage of life. For this, proper nutrition and hygiene is necessary. As this is the period of growth, it is essential to be careful about the health and hygiene in the adolescent period. It is important to have a balanced diet according to your hunger levels. Your diet has to be taken care of very well. Your growth depends on your diet. Make sure your diet has all minerals and nutrients in right proportions. Also, adolescents must say no to junk food. Physical exercise. Walking and playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boys and girls should take a walk, exercise and play. The physical activity leads to the condition of better health followed by sound sleep. Sleep maintains your mental health. Because of many changes during this period, one may get tense, confused or insecure. In this situation, one must discuss with your parents and consult a doctor if necessary. Do not take drugs suggested by someone unless it's from a doctor. It is important that you get proper guidance from elders, teachers and parents to have a meaningful life.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.